Welcome to episode 2 of our tutorial series on developing with Overledger integrations. In this episode, we'll demonstrate how to monitor account activity, transaction fees, and schedule periodic price analyses using the Zapier integration.
Today we're going to demonstrate how to use Zapier and Overledger to get price data from Uniswap v2 and how to store that data in something like a spreadsheet. So we're going to use Google Sheets, and then we're going to, based on the price, send an email to ourselves. So our first action is just our schedule setup. So we're going to trigger this Zap once a day at 12:45 a.m. The second action is the get swap price from Uniswap v2 compatible DEX. This allows us to interact with a smart contract that's compatible with Uniswap v2. So you can use any contract which is compatible, such as Uniswap v2, PancakeSwap v2, SushiSwap, etc. On the account tab, you'll notice we've selected our client ID in Overledger. You'll need to configure that in order to communicate via Overledger. On the action tab, we're going to select the production instance because we want to deal with the main network. Our technology is Ethereum. Our network is Ethereum mainnet. Our DEX router address is the smart contract for Uniswap v2 on Ethereum. Token A, this is the contract address for wrapped Ethereum. We've chosen to get a price for 1 Ethereum. So that's 1 with 18 zeros. Token B is USDT. So we're essentially checking how many USDT we can get for 1 Ethereum, which gives us the price in US dollars. The next step will be inputting that data into a Google Sheet. So we're just going to be picking, we're connected to Google with our account. The action will be storing that data in a spreadsheet I've created called Zapier Price Storage. On the first sheet, I'm going to input the data and the rate. So you'll see here we've got a date field and a column, a date column and a price column. That's where we're going to insert the new data. We've got then a check to see what the price is. So we're saying if the price of Ethereum drops below, number is less than 3,000 with 6 decimal places, so that's wrapped Ethereum and uses 6 decimal places. Drops below 3,000, we're going to send ourselves an email. If it drops below 3,000, we're going to continue, and the next step is to send an email. It's just a email with a subject Ethereum price alert and some text saying ETH to USDT has reached and the actual rate that we're going to be inserting. This option here replaces the rate that you received in step 2.